hear your name. Echoes of a love that couldn't stay the same. Shadows on the wall, memories entwined, lost in the moments we can't rewind. Whispers in the rain, they call out your name. Every drop of tear, every sound of pain, falling like the stars, shattered in the sky. Can't find the pieces of our last goodbye. Walking through the streets where we once laughed, traces of a time that's now just in the past. Your voice, a ghost that lingers in the breeze, a love that's now a wound that will never ease. Whispers in the rain, they call out your name. Every drop of tear, every sound of pain, falling like the stars, shattered in the sky. Can't find the pieces of our last goodbye. And I tried to hold on tight, but love slipped away like the fading light. Now I'm left with echoes and empty dreams, a heart that's breaking at the seams. Whispers in the rain, they call out your name. Every drop of tear, every sound of pain, falling like the stars, shattered in the sky. Can't find the pieces of our last goodbye. In the silence of the night, I hear your name. Echoes of a love that couldn't stay the same. Whispers in the rain, they haunt me still, a broken heart that time can never heal. In the silence of the night, I hear your name. Echoes of a love that couldn't stay the same. Whispers in the rain, they haunt me still, a broken heart that time can never heal.
And now what?